41TE transmission here. I'm finna put it on the table and recondition it right quick, but what I want to go over real quick is this. I also have to replace this. This is called a solenoid pack. Alright, now the earlier built on the 604s, what they used to be called back in the day, keep in mind this transmission came out in 1989. 1989, guys, at a dealership back then, and I grasped all the knowledge I could off of this particular transmission. And but so here we are now in 2020, right? So that is some years. That is a lot of years. All right, so a couple changes were made to this solenoid pack. One, a lot of people still get this confused and panic when they see this, when they replacing this, because okay, here's my new one. All right, now you're gonna get the pack, of course, and you're gonna get a bag with only one gasket in it. So just so happen you working on an older model, what they used to call 604, you're gonna get when you get ready to replace it, you're gonna get you're gonna have a plate on the bottom of yours, okay, and you may have two gaskets on it, okay. This solenoid pack has been redesigned. It's not designed that way, okay. So when you take this off and you see a plate, basically you're supposed to get rid of the plate. All right, you no longer need the plate. So when you go back in with the new one, you simply use one gasket and the new solenoid pack. Now I assume this is thicker to cover that extra distance that the plate was there, but this is a lot quieter. Also back then, this thing was extremely loud. They had a little rubber cover over it to quieten it down because a lot of people was complaining. In fact, if you was on the road and one happened to pull up beside you, you could tell what kind of transmission it was, or what kind of car it was for that matter, based off the noise you was hearing. That's how loud that thing was. Okay, so now I'm in the dealer world. We don't see these no more, but for you guys that's out there in the aftermarket world, they might be rolling in your shop now. Who knows? I just want to run that by you guys. All right, the new solenoid pack, just a upgraded pack with one gasket on it. That's all you need. If yours came with a plate on it and two gaskets, you do not need that plate or those gaskets. Use what came in the package. Now I don't know how the aftermarket solenoid packs are packaged. I'm not sure, but just so you know, if you happen to get one from a dealer, do not panic if you don't see two gaskets in there. And also when you're replacing this, try to get all the old gasket off. So I might have to go get a razor blade because I got to get all that paper gasket off. All right, guys, I just wanted to run that by you just in case y'all out there working on this now called a 41TE, 4-speed transmission, torque rating of 1, and a transverse engine, and E is electronic transmission. Okay, it was previously known as the A604. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.